Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Good. We are studying about a lesson for all. Correct or not? Mr. Desai, Mrs. Patel, Dr. Sawant, Nidhi, Madhu, they all are discussing about a garbage which is littering or which litters in the street, and they said that Mr. Desai said that I came overnight. At that time there was nothing on the street, and now from where this garbage has come? Milkman is not able to deliver milk. Newspaper boy is not able to deliver newspaper to the people. Then what is reason behind this? Who has done this? About that they are going to study. They are going to find out who has done it, and for that they are going to complain to mayor. I told you mayor means what? The elected person. Elections are held, and the person who is elected for a city or a town, and that person is known as mayor. In Marathi it is that person is called Mahapaur. Okay. If you want to know more about mayor, means what? Nagaraध्यksha. Okay. Every city has a person, and now Mrs. Patel, Mr. Desai, Mrs. Desai, then newspaper boy, milkman, they all are going to complain to the mayor about the garbage which is littering on the street. Same lesson we are going to continue now further. Here it is. We were talking about Mrs. Joshi. Mrs. Joshi said that I know I am going to send for a mayor at once. He must see this. Just a minute. Where were we? A newspaper boy. Mr. Desai, I see something must be done. Now take out your page number 35. On page number 35, what is given? Now bus driver is saying something. Mrs. Joshi, I am sorry, I can't drive the school bus today. On every road and street there is nothing but litter. It looks like an obstacle race course. Now what bus driver is telling? That bus driver is saying that Mrs. Joshi, I cannot bring bus to the city street of your place because there is lot of garbage. There are some glass bottles broken on the road, and because of that I will not able to bring bus in your street, so that because of that what will happen? Your child will not able to come to the school. Then Mrs. Joshi, I know, I am going to send for the mayor at once. He must see this. Our children are not safe with all these dangerous broken objects around. Then when bus driver tells me, he might have done phone call and said to Mrs. Joshi that I cannot come towards your street. If it is possible, you please drop your child to the another city street so that I can collect her and take her to the school. But then when Mrs. Joshi says that, okay, no problem, I know it, there is a huge problem of our city street. It is fully covered with litter and garbage, and she says that I am going to complain to the mayor. Okay, let's see what he does. Then what is given further? There is an hawker now. Hawker means what? Hadgadi chalaunara. Yes or no? Hand cart. The person who carries hand cart and he shouts for doing advertisement of his goods. Correct or not? The person who sells. हातगाडीवरती विकणारा जो माणूस असतो ना त्याला हॉकर म्हणतात. ओके. नाउ व्हाट दिस हॉकर इज सेइंग? हॉकर, नो वन इज सेफ. लेट्स रिक्वेस्ट द मेयर टू कम and see for himself. Mr. Desai, I will fetch him. Now meaning of fetch means what? I will fetch him means what? I will get him. FETCH. I will fetch him means what? I will get him. Get him, or I will bring him. To whom? Mr. Desai is saying that I will go and bring him. Enters again with the mayor and his retinue. Retinue means what? Mr. Desai is going outside of the stage and brings mayor. Now whose entry is there on the stage? Mr. Desai's and mayor's entry is there on the stage. Now what happens? Mayor, annoyed means what? He got angry. Unbelievable, shocking. How do you expect people to walk through all this rubbish? Why don't you all dispose of the garbage properly? Mrs. Patel, but we do, Mr. Mayor. We give our garbage to the garbage collector. Mrs. Joshi, Yes, we don't litter our streets like this, Mr. Desai, or we take it to the dumping ground near the riverside away from here. The rains then wash it away, Mrs. Patel, or the winds blow it away, Mayor. Then how did it come back into the town overnight? Bus driver, that's the problem. Nobody knows how it got here. It's a mystery. Mystery means what? No one. It is unknown for everyone. It is a mystery means what? Mystery means it is unknown. Now what happened? Mr. Desai goes and brings Mayor, and when Mayor comes over there, he is feeling unbelievable how this all things has happened. Why things are littering here and there? You cannot clean your street or what? How can you stay in such a dirty place? If rubbish is lying here and there, why are you not cleaning it? Then all people said, those who were staying over there, Mrs. Patel was there, Mrs. Joshi was there, they told that we don't throw garbage here and there. We don't throw garbage here and there. There is a garbage collector person. We give our garbage to garbage collector. He collects it and then dumps it near the seaside or water side, or we go and dispose it in the dumping places. Okay, we dump all garbage to the river side, or it flies away, or as it rains everything gets washed, and we don't throw things here and there. Then Mayor says that, oh, why this all things has happened now, from where these all things are littered. So what happens further? There comes a bus driver and he's saying that that's problem. It's a mystery. Mystery means what? It is unknown for everyone. We don't know where the garbage has come from, who has done it. So there is a newspaper boy. He says that it looks like someone has done it purposely to spoil our town. So newspaper boy is saying that हे कुणीतरी मुद्दामून केलेले, someone has done it purposely, because last night when Mr. Desai came late night from the office, at that time street was clean. There was no garbage on the street. From where this garbage has come on the street? So newspaper boy is saying to the mayor that someone has done it purposely. Then Mr. Joshi says that someone has done it purposely, and Mr. Joshi says that and endanger our children. Endanger our children means what? Someone has done it purposely to harm our children. Harm म्हणजे काय? आमच्या मुलांना त्रास होईल असं कुणीतरी केले. Milkman says and hinder our daily work. Hinder means what? Make it difficult. HINDER. Hinder means what? Make it difficult. Someone has done it purposely to make it difficult. Hinder means what? Hinder means make it difficult. Next one, mayor. Now there is an entry of mayor. Mayor is already there on stage. Now he is going to speak. We will not tolerate this. I must look into this. I will not spare anyone. Who has done this? Who is responsible for this mess? Now when this all thing is going on, at that time there is an entry of animals. Now which animals are there? There is deer. There is entry of deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel, bear. How many animals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deer, rabbit, birds, squirrel and bear. Now when these birds enter on the stage, what do they say? They say that we are responsible. What do they say? We are responsible. We have brought in all the litter. We have spread the garbage all over the town. Then deer. First animal, deer. Yes, we confess we did it. Confess म्हणजे काय? आम्ही मान्य करतो की आम्ही केलं हे. Okay, confess means what? To agree. If you have done some offense, when you say yes, I have done it, so that is called confess. Mayor, what? You? How dare you? Okay, mayor is saying to deer. Mr. Joshi, what right do you have to spoil our town and make it unsafe to move around? Mrs. Joshi is saying that what right do you have to make our town dirty? And then human beings have right to spoil forest. Human beings are allowed to spoil water. sea water, they are dumping garbage in the sea water. Because of that many fishes are dying, correct or not? There are dumping grounds in the forest, then it is allowed or what? Then bear, there comes bear comes forward. We have only brought back to you what belongs to you. Tell me, what is right do you have to dump all this in the forest? The forest is our dwelling place. Bear comes over there. Who comes over there? Bear comes over there and he says that what right do you have to dump all these things in the forest? जिथे आम्ही राहतो, आम्ही जंगलात राहतो, तर तुम्ही जंगलात आणून का टाकतात ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी? ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुमच्या आहेत, तुम्ही काळजी घ्यायची. तुम्ही काय करतात? तुम्ही ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी काय करतात? फॉरेस्टमध्ये आणून टाकतात, नाही तर सी वॉटरमध्ये आणून टाकतात. अँड यू स्पॉइल आवर, इट इज आवर ड्वेलिंग प्लेस. ड्वेलिंग मीन्स वॉट? वी स्टे ओवर देअर. Okay, dwelling means what? Where animals live. So in this way deer speaks about, he confessed. Deer says that we have done it. Bear says that if you are saying that we don't have right to throw garbage in the town, then what right do you have to dump garbage or dispose garbage in the forest? That is what bear said, and remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, this much is enough I think so for today. Please read lesson, whatever meanings I am giving you, please write down those meanings in English notebook. After completion of the lesson tomorrow, most probably we are going to complete lesson, and after that we are going to start with question answers writing. Okay, thank you.